Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'm going to show you how to select the rapid wash cycle on the H Wash 500 Hoover model. This is the dial, and if you turn it on the left hand side, let's start again. So turn the dial and the wash cycle we want is on the left hand side, and it's that symbol there. So the rapid cycle, it takes around 14 minutes and the maximum temperature is 44 minutes. The minimum temperature is 20 and the maximum is 40. Can increase the time it takes to do by selecting the R symbol. So let's click on that, and as you can see there, it will take 30 minutes to do, and if you click it again it's going to take 44 minutes. So with this, what I've got in there is lightly soiled, so I'm going to do 30 minutes. You can select other options with this cycle. For example, you can select the pre-wash. You can select an extra rinse as well. I'm going to select this symbol here, which I've never selected before. Okay, let's begin.
I don't know if you've got it, just I'm gonna like around 3 minutes. Can anyone find her?
No. Wow. And thanks for watching. That's the end of the video.